What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the video. It's your boy DRK here, and we're gonna be chainsawing the tree.
You got it?
They're using their advantage to get this thing up.
Let go.
That's Cody. All right, let's see how this goes, guys.
No, highway. I'm live on here.
No. Holy cow.
What?
Stay back. Make sure the kiddo stay back.
Yeah. So basically, trying to get this whole tree down, right there. So this whole tree. Isn't it, huh?
It's a big branch.
Oh shoot, I'm zoomed into you. It's Brody Wardell. Subscribe to him.
Should have bought a new chainsaw blade.
He's getting there, guys. Yeah, ladder. He's gonna go get the ladder. He needs to.
One down.
Hey, let's go. Got one down.
Lower that rope down. Grab that ball, will you?
Yeah.
I got it out there.
You got it? Okay.
Don't want you to get hurt. Where do you want me to put it?
So basically,
Pull it out.
Oh, okay.
Put all the rope out. Go the other way, you know what I mean? That'll work. Just keep it. Pull that rope.
Pull it.
Cut it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Lean back down.
this is gonna be a difficult one for him. But he's managing to get this one. So all you gotta do is just cut that top of that. Cutting the whole thing. But yeah, this is the type of video you guys are watching. This is what you show up for.
I'll do that right when I take it right
Cody has to get the. I gotta watch out.
Hold on.
What's up?
No. My chainsaw blade's shot.
Really?
We're getting a ladder.
Damn.
Huh?
We're getting a ladder. It's not gonna matter now. The chainsaw blade's shot.
Oh,
Brody.
I can see if Dad has a chainsaw.
So he has to go and get other equipment now. So chainsaw basically busted.
That one that dropped worked.
Brody again.
Older than some,
Did you see it smoking?
I did, yeah.
He had to me go grab one of his. He has those long hand extension ones that you hold.
Yeah.
I can go see if Ron gets one of those. There you go. Let me go. I'll be back, bro. Maybe we're gonna have a fire tonight, though.
There you go.
Yeah, if you guys can
You
stay.
touched me as a trainsaw.
If you guys,
Setting all this up and having fire?
yeah, if you guys want to
Mhm.
stay, have a fire.
we might
You
come
trust
back.
me? No,
We gotta
no,
come
no.
back.
Well, that's what I mean, like,
Yeah.
because the kids and you guys will have like buy some marshmallows and s'mores and stuff.
Brody. Brody, what the-
We haven't
Are
had
we
one.
having it inside or outside?
Colin, last time we had it inside, you about blew up our house.
Inside fire, yeah.
Yeah.
But make sure we open out the window though.
Oh, no, we keep them closed. It makes it fun. Let me go see if Ron has a chainsaw.
Follow you.
Day in the life right here.
Day in the life of Brody. Every time I follow him, it's just like a Brody video.
Day in the life, I guess I'm just popular, I guess.
Brony. Hey, you know what people call other people?
What?
You're a brony.
I'm a brownie.
That's what people used to call.
Hi,
But
Brody gang.
yeah, go subscribe to his channel. I'm just following this dude because
I'm
I
gonna
live
get a
I live with Brody now.
Yeah, basically.
There's the dog. I wonder if he's okay to be on video.
I don't care.
Okay.
Thank you, Ron.
Yeah, thanks, Ron.
No, I just had, I know I have another question for you.
We have so many questions
You
for
know
you.
the hand extension chainsaw that you had to cut down that tree over here? Do you have, don't you have two of them or no? What happened to
but I sold one.
Oh,
Got my good one.
because Cody, well Collins, Cody, his chainsaw blade quit.
So what we doing now, Brody?
Living life, you know.
Living life. There's the dog again, guys.
Hi.
White Fang.
White Fang.
Hey, what you gonna say?
Alright, I'm making a pre-workout, guys. It's called Specimen Genesis. Not a sponsor, but it's a really good flavor. Alien Pop, guys. You should try it out. One day I might be sponsored, hopefully. You know,
There you go.
One
Now I
day.
can see you.
one day.
There's a fly on it.
I hope to be sponsored one day, guys. I mean, I work out with this stuff every day. I don't do 2 scoops at once just because, I mean, I could do 2 scoops.
Here it is again, guys. What's it? What's it called?
Specimen Genesis.
Specimen Juice.
You guys should try this. Shout out to you guys. Not a sponsor, but just shout out. You guys are awesome. It says 2 scoops, you guys. You know, it says advanced users may mix 2 scoops. What do you think? What do you think I should do, guys? Should I do 2 scoops? What do you think? 2 scoops? All right.
I'm gonna go back out there. So
I'll be out there in 1 minute, guys.
Well, that's how I would ideally do it, but I just didn't have a big enough saw.
Yeah. I thought my dad had a saw, but I
If you
guess
got a big enough saw, that's how I would do it. Just,
Yeah.
You just drop the whole thing.
there's different size chainsaws then? There's just like
Oh,
a
yeah.
big and,
See, this is a 16-inch.
oh, okay.
I'll show you guys
How
what
short
he's
it is.
actually talking about.
We got help getting those branches down. Hey, we're having a bonfire tonight if you guys want to come. Yeah, you guys are more
So,
than welcome to come.
Cody, you're on YouTube right now. What do you want to say?
Red.
What's up? Ooh.
I think my new tattoo.
Tell him
get
what
one.
it is. Basically, tell him what it is.
What is it?
YouTube. Basically, tell him what the tattoo is about.
If you know, you know.
Yeah, if you know, you know. But he's a chainsaw man. This was Cody.
I mean, I helped Ron cut a tree down with the chainsaw he has. He gave it to his son Andy, and he's in Missouri getting fireworks right now. So, and it's locked up at his house. So he's gonna check around, see if he got any more chainsaws laying around.
Okay.
He's a tool guy. Like he has a bunch of stuff in his.
Yeah. Well, and it doesn't have to be tonight. Maybe
yeah,
next weekend or whatever, and
Yeah.
we'll get it done, bud.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Very soon, yeah.
Hey, if you guys come over tonight, let us know. Have a bonfire.
All right.
S'mores, marshmallows.
All right.
All right, guys.
See you, Mandy.
I'm gonna hit this real quick.
All right, so I'm gonna probably end this video. That was the chainsaw video.
And we might do a workout video depending.
But thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. And that will be it for the video. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, Indy.
Subscribe to my YouTube, Brody Wardell YouTube.
Yep.
I don't
And
have
someone's calling him. All right, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys. Want to see you guys in the next video. Take care and peace.